So hi guys, we're gonna try some tops that they give to us. So yan sila, sobrang dami and we're going to try it. So first we have some white tops. Yes, it's either we keep it or not. So keep guys blue. Nakakita ko na kanina. Ito guys, yes, we gonna keep it. Yan siya guys, sobrang ganda niya. Na-try ko na siya kanina. So guys, next is sandal naman. Look guys, look. Tingnan nyo kabatkit eh. We're gonna try. So guys, ganito siya. Akala ko hindi siya magkakasya. Hindi ko alam kung baliktad or ganito lang talaga siya. So yan siya guys. Maganda naman siya. So we're gonna keep it. Next guys is a jacket, of course. Maganda siya kasi pink. I think ba ito? Red ata or pink. Yan siya guys, sobrang ganda niya. Next, keep. Jacket na naman. So yes, we're going to keep na naman. Sobrang ganda. So guys, next is this. So, hindi ko alam kung keep ko siya o hindi. So, sasave ka muna. And then next is this one. Kakagang angas. Ibigay ko sa kapatid ko. Guys, sobrang ganda. We're gonna keep it, syempre. Next. Dito pa lang tayo. Next. Hindi dalawa palit. Di ko pang lalaki. O, bibigay natin to. We're going to give, guys. Ang lalaki rin to, guys. We're going to give, syempre. Next. Parang, guys. Ito, feel ko hindi ko to mga... Wait, tingnan ko. Pen shop, guys. Sobrang mahal ng pen shop. So, we're going to keep it. Next. Tops na naman. Oh. Hey, what is this? Hindi ako naggaganto. Then guys, hindi ako naggaganto. So, I don't know if I eat or not. Tingnan nyo naman guys. No. Next is this one. Naggugulo. Ay, crop. Crop pa ito guys. Yung crop siya. Oh, maganda siya. Ang gulo. Wait. Next. Maroon. Yun guys, maroon. But we're going to give it kasi hindi naman ako naggaganto. Next. May mga nakalo pala itong short. So, yan. Short ata to or what. I don't know. Hindi ko alam kung ano to guys. Ay, no. It's good. Ay, hindi ko alam kung ano ito yung may ganito. Mas may kamay. We're gonna keep it guys kasi may kailangan natin to. Yeah. So, next. This one. Jacket. I guess jacket. Oo. Maganda siya guys. Look. Thanks. Next na tayo. So, maroon. Malaki siya sa akin. Wait, we're going to try it. But, pwede kong gamitin ko sa bahay ito guys. Malaki talaga siya sa akin. So, hindi ko siya mapipilit kasi. Ay, oo, okay lang siya sa akin. Charot. We're going to keep it. Keep. So, damit muna tayo. Oh, hindi ko rin naman ito. Akin lang naman ito. So, yun. Next, guys. I don't know if I keep it or not. So, dun na sa gitna. Next, guys. Ay, tube. Ito maganda to. Oo. Bet ko to, guys. Kahit pang bakit. Hindi, maganda to. Legit. Keep. Fila. Pang Louis Vuitton, guys. Keep na keep. Fila. Keep. Like, maganda siya guys. Look. That's mine. Sweet. Hindi ako nagaganto. Give. Ay, leggings. Wait. This is leggings but hindi tayo nagaganto. Yeah. So, yun. Dun pa.